Good afternoon, teacher, and hello everyone. My name is Thong Chandria. My name is Sunana. My name is Sofrania. My name is Puni. My name is Sunny. We are from the Bosak Group. Today we speak about healthy food. Now let's start. This is a GABA. GABA is a highly tropical fruit packed with power, antioxidant, and exceptionally high level of vitamin C of 10 full time. Then, moreover, it supports immune function, as digestion, manage blood sugar, and induce heart health. This is the tomato. Tomato are ingredient local fruit, often used vegetable from the nightshade family, composed of 95% water and rich in vitamin A, C, potassium, and the potent antioxidant lycopene. They support high hair, improve skin texture, in weight management, and may reduce the risk of central cell cancer. Another nutrient that's low carb, high vitamin C, known for boosting immune system, improving skin health, and supporting heart health. They are powerful nutrients. This is a lemon. Lemon are small South fruit heavy vitamin C, antioxidant, and fiber. They support immune function, promote heart health, and digestion, and may reduce the risk of cancer and kidney stone. Lemon are commonly used in drink, cooking, and for cleaning for their anti-salting. This is a grape antioxidant berry packed with powerful and antioxidant and essential vitamin C that promote heart health, reduce inflammation, and support immune function. They aid in lowering blood sugar pressure. Local food level offering protective effect for